Hold on.
Yeah. Hello?
Hey, what's going on, bro? How you doing today?
Doing all right.
Hey, real quick for y'all, man. Who y'all going with here for the Wi-Fi? Y'all got Vive?
We good. We good.
What do you mean?
We got Vive.
You don't take care of it? Somebody else pay it?
Nah, we good.
Nah, somebody else pays. Your girl pay it? She handles it. Bills in her name?
Boy, ain't no way, boy.
Huh? We good.
It's the bill in your girl's name. You don't handle it.
I don't handle it. What you mean?
Like, do you not handle the internet bill? Is what I'm saying. Do you not pay it?
Yeah.
How much you pay for it?
We good, man.
You don't pay it, my brother. You don't even know what internet is, bro. I'm gonna stop by and swing back on your lady, bro. I'll check back.
Damn, the hell?
Nah, fam. Ain't no way.
Don't you come back here, man.
Bro, it's not your crib, gang.
Hey, you know, old boy? Do you know? Man, ain't no way in the world you got somebody knocking on this doggone door. I will say this. Those guys in Walmart do get kind of aggressive, man. You got to act like you on your phone. They still try to interrupt you. I almost had to check one dude when I was in Walmart one time. I was like, yo, bro, listen. I'm on the phone. I don't want to discuss nothing about no internet provider or anything like that. This dude is at your door. Is at your door, pretty much like, yo, I'm gonna swing back by and check in with your lady. What?
Bro, he got his ass cooked.
Listen, brother, hold on. Stay right there. Stay right there. Don't go nowhere, man. Anyway, this is not even the end of it. So it's another part. Let me go ahead and pull it. This is the second part.
This ain't my crib.
You said what?
This ain't my crib.
It might not be. You don't know how much the internet bill is. That's kind of weird, ain't it?
That ain't weird. He ain't got to tell him how much I feel is. Who you is?
Hey, you would know he doesn't.
She paid.
She paid. I know that.
You don't know
How you know that?
Because you don't know
Don't get us
I don't
finished.
know.
how much the bill is.
He didn't want to take.
Man, listen. No. We ain't even doing all that, bro. We gonna go ahead and bypass all the rest of that other stuff. The fact that you over here trying to question me and my lady about what's going on in our house, and he was like, yo, you ain't even paying. I don't even want to talk to you, fam. Like, what? Nah,
This
fam.
ain't my crib.
Let me tell you something.
This ain't my crib.
It might not be. You don't know how much the internet bill is.
And the fact that he's still walking back up, this is a bold brother. Situations like this, I would absolutely love. The fact that you then came onto my property, you own my property, talking that noise. Boy, let me tell you something. Drag ain't gonna be the word. Drag
That's kind
ain't.
of weird, ain't it?
That ain't weird. He ain't got to tell him how much I feel is. Who you is?
Hey, you paid.
And this is a clear sign. Why in the world is the young lady out there? Why is the woman out there? I got this. Go back in the house. There's no need for you to say anything. This is between men. Don't worry, I'm gonna handle this. You go ahead and finish cooking or whatever you got going on. I'm about to take out the trash.
You would know he doesn't.
She paid.
She paid.
He should have said that.
How you know that?
Because you don't know
Because I don't know.
how much the bill is.
He didn't want to take.
But listen, you can tell this is the old head. Those brothers I guess they got a different type of patience. But let this mofo knock at my door asking me about who my dang on internet provider is, and I swear, boy, man, let me tell you something, boy. I would have had a field day. Listen, brother, you coming outside, you need to do something. You need to do something.
That's all
I know
right.
that right.
Listen. Right here, because when I came outside, I would have been like, yo, listen, bro. I already let you know what it is. You can get off my property. Like, I don't even want to hear all that. Get off my property. If I ask you to leave and you decide to stay after that, then just know and understand the consequence. It's gonna be consequences and repercussions behind that. And I'm about to get on your. After that, listen, I done already warned this brother. It's recorded. It's on the ring. I asked him to leave several times, and he decided to stay. So I had to do what I had to do.
All right.
Well, listen, man, we're just trying to see if we can save
Come back here.
It's okay, no problem. Enjoy.
What the? No. This brother literally rolled up on him on a dang on Segway. Man, stop playing with me.
That's all right.
Man, ain't no way.
Well, listen, man, we're just trying to see if we can save
Come back here.
It's okay, no problem. Enjoy.
This man pulled up on a Segway on 10, bro. They talking about he leaving on a hoverboard. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you right now, man. Situations like this, I'm just gonna say, I'm not giving any advice. I'm not saying this is what you should do. But I'm just gonna say I understand why some people get drugged for stuff like this, get beat up, because you coming to another man's house and doing that, bro. Man, I don't know what type of day this brother is having, but as a salesperson, as a salesman, why in the world are you like causing issues and causing problems? Do you think that was gonna help you get the sale? Ain't no way in the world. This brother got to be on his last leg. He got to be on his last leg at that job. Ain't no way, man. Y'all let me know. What do you guys think down in the comments about that, man? That's crazy.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.